Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have this Valentine's makeup look and it is using all affordable products. This is in collaboration with my good friend here on YouTube. Her name is Makeup with Mariela. I watched all her videos. I have my notification bell on because I love her videos. She is so down to earth and I just love how we kind of have the same attitude. We're both really chill. Make sure you check her out, Makeup with Mariela. I will link it down below still, her channel and her video. And you guys can see the look she created. It is using affordable products as well. So yeah, this is the look that I came up with. And if you guys want to know how I got this look, just keep on watching. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Also, turn on the bell notification so you can be notified whenever I upload. First, I'm going to start off with the eyebrows as always. And today I am using all affordable products. So you can find these at any drugstore or online. I'm going to use my NYX Micro Brow Pencil. And this is in the shade Brunette. I used to use Espresso, but that one's too dark for me now. My hair is actually pretty light now. And as you can see, I did cut my hair. I think I'm gonna go shorter actually to make it straight because the lady did add some layers, but I don't want layers anymore. I just want it all straight. I hope you guys like it. After I fill it in, I always just carve it out with my Colourpop concealer. I'm going to use the Colourpop No Filter Concealer in Fair 5. I'm actually going to grab a flat shader brush. This is the Makeup Shack T6. And then I kind of bring it down a little bit. And that's going to work as my eyeshadow primer. Today I'm going to use my translucent powder from Maybelline. This is the Fair Light in the Fit Me loose powder. And that's going to set my concealer. So I just set the whole lid all the way to the brow bone. Now that I have my eyebrows done and the eyelids are set, I'm going to jump into my eyeshadow. For today's look, I'm going to use a new eyeshadow palette. This is from Colourpop and it is the Give It To Me Straight. This is only $15 and you get 12 shades here. You get a few matte shades and then you get a few shimmer shades. This is such a perfect palette for an everyday look and you can make it into a night look as well. First off, we're gonna jump into this shade right here. This is called Downright. I'm just gonna use this Makeup Shack brush here. I've been using these Makeup Shack brushes and they are amazing and they are very affordable as well. So this is a nice transition shade, but it's more pinky, it's not as warm. So today's look is going to be more of a pink look. So you don't want to make this look so warm. This is going to be more of a cool tone look. The next shade that I'm going to use is TMI. It's more of a purpley shade here. And I'm just going to get a smaller brush to pack it on in the outside and then just blend it in. As you guys can see, I did add a darker shade on the outer corner and I used the shade B Blunt, which is this one here. It does have a little bit of shimmer and I still put it on the crease, so it was harder to blend, as you can see, but I tried my best to blend it out with a fluffy brush, like a clean brush. Now we're gonna cut the crease a little bit. We're going to use the same concealer. I'm gonna do the half cut crease, apply it, and then go like this. Press on it and that is what you will get. I'm gonna go all the way up here. For the lashes, I'm going to use these Kiss lashes, and these are in the style Peony. I'm using the glue from Duo. This is the dark adhesive one. I am done with the eyes for now, and now we're gonna move on to the face. I am gonna use my NYX Hydra Touch Primer. This is the blue one here. It's going to hydrate my face since I am going to use a full coverage foundation. For foundation, I'm gonna use the new Maybelline Super Stay Foundation. You guys definitely need full coverage on Valentine's Day, but something that doesn't look too cakey, which is right here. And I'm just gonna pump out 2 pumps in the back of my hand and start blending away. This is full coverage. As you can see, I am breaking out, so I'm gonna get that full coverage. It's gonna cover all my acne. I love this foundation. I've been using it every day for work. It's just so great. For concealer, I'm using the same one, the Colourpop concealer in Fair 5. Now I'm gonna set my concealer and my foundation with this Maybelline Fit Me loose powder, and this is in the shade Tan Fair Light. This is my jam. This is my jam. And first, I like to go in with the brush and just take away any creasing. And then I like to go in with my powder brush. You could leave it like this for a day date with your boo, or we're gonna blend it out right now on the lower lash line and add more eyeshadow. Now to bronze up the face, I'm gonna use this Milani Baked Bronzer in 09 Dolce. For my affordable setting spray, I'm gonna use this new Colourpop setting spray. This is the aquamarine one. For highlight, I'm using this Maybelline Master Chrome in Molten Gold. I'm gonna use this blush palette. This one is from Maybelline as well. I swear I did not mean to use all Maybelline, but I just happen to have all these affordable products in my collection and they are so great. I'm gonna use this second shade right here. I'm gonna jump back into the eyeshadow palette. This glittery shade called Be Blunt. And I'm gonna get the shade TMI and then just blend away. For the lips, I have 2 lip options, and one is a matte lip option and the other one is a glossy lip option. For the lip liner, I'm gonna use this NYX lip liner in Coffee. I'm gonna use this NYX liquid lipstick, the lingerie one, in number 15. This is such a beautiful color. It's like a monochromatic look, purple and purple. And you could leave it like this, or you can add some lip gloss. I have this NYX Butter Lip Gloss in Madeline. It's just a nude color. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. I miss doing tutorials for you guys. Make sure you check her out, Makeup with Mariela. Give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.